Please tell me about your background. I got my PhD in System and Control from Rutgers University in 2010. After my PhD, I went to Australia, the UK, and the US to do some postdoc projects. My research spans a number of topics including control theory, control applications in atomic force microscope, robotics, exoskeletons, prosthetic legs. I have some teaching experiences at Rutgers University, International University in Vietnam, and Cleveland State University. Please tell me about your teaching style. I like to teach courses which can provide students with hands-on experiences. They can be lab-based or project-based courses. Yeah, I like to develop courses related to autonomous systems. Here I have at least 3 projects for students in control theory and applications. The first one is mobile robots. The second one is inverted pendulum. And the third one is multi-water tank system. The platform for this system can be based on PC, microcontroller, or PLC. For PC platform, we can use a MATLAB to control these devices through an interface between the PC and the physical devices. The second platform is based on microcontroller. Here we can use Arduino boards to control the devices. Students can do programming in C or C++. And the third platform is PLC. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. They are very popular in industry or manufacturing systems. Can you please tell me about your research plans? The main theme of my research is to provide a framework for robustness, safety, and stability of a control system. I have 4 main topics. The first one is about theory, control theory. It is about an approach to provide robustness to control system. The second topic is about multi-agent systems or multi-robot system. Here we address some problems in multi-robot systems in which small size robots coordinate or work together to do some group mission. For instance, surveillance, mapping, tracking, or rescue in dangerous areas. The third topic is about assistive robotics, in which I have done research in prosthetic legs and exoskeletons. The purpose is to provide assistance to disabled people. And the last one is about application of control theory to control of rigid robots. I plan to apply for funding from external agencies such as National Science Foundation, National Institutes of Health, Department of Transportation. So in these programs, I can apply for some clusters from these programs. For instance, in National Science Foundation, I can apply for funding from Information and Intelligent Systems program, CMMI, Civil, Mechanical and Manufacturing Innovation. Besides, I can apply for funding from a program from Control System Society. So it is an outreach funding project. The purpose is to promote control engineering in education and teaching. So if I have a lab, I will apply for funding from that program so that I can have money to buy equipment for my lab. Please tell me about your lab if you want to build. In my lab, I would like to have devices for research and teaching in control systems and robotics. Specifically, I would like to have about 10 robot car kits and 10 drones or UAV. In addition, I would like to have 10 smart GPS for localization. The cost would be about $30,000 or $40,000. In addition, I would like to have a pendulum system so that students can do experiments in control applications. If possible, I would like to have a tracking system, and of course this one is very expensive, probably it's about $100,000 at least. Can you please tell me about which courses you can teach? Because my major expertise in control, I would like to teach courses in control system and control theory, and possibly robotics. In addition, I can teach some courses in electrical engineering, for instance, circuit analysis, principle of electrical engineering. Do you have any questions? My first question is that what is the teaching load for a new faculty member? My second question is that which support can I receive if I work there? I would like to talk about equipment and startup funding.